Hi, welcome to HJDB Random Vids. In this video, I will show you the second quest of the Bluebird season. Tap the red dot above the spirit, and also the red dot on the right side. Now, let's go to the Bluebird guide, in the elevated clearing of the hidden forest. Let's continue to fly on the other side. From here, let's walk or jump if you want. Now enter and go to the next door. On your right side, tap the flame button to activate the door. From here, let's go to the other side. Now, tap the flame icon to enter. From here, go straight and look to the right side to see the way to the other side of Hidden Forest. Fly a little bit to enter the way out. Remember, you cannot enter this way unless you finish helping all the 8 spirits here in the Hidden Forest. You can follow my way to elevated clearing of where the Bluebird guide stays. As you can see, there is Treehouse over there, and that is the landmark that we're near an elevated clearing. We need to roam around that treehouse to find it. We will reveal the map first, since we are here, so we'll take the chance. Now let's go because we're almost there. Follow me. We're here. Now go and sit. Go to the spirit guide and tap the red button above him. Tap the red button again for the quest. Go and tap the sit icon, then follow the spirit. Let's go there. The first feather that we need to get. Tap the hand button to get it. Go near the spirit and tap the holding hands button, and bring the spirit down to the elder spirit. We will fly up to look for the second feather and get it. Go near the spirit and tap the holding hands button and bring down the spirit to the elder spirit. Now, let's look for the third feather's location. But first, I need to float to recharge my wings. Tap the hand button and get it. Go near the spirit and bring to the elder below. We need to chase the blue bird and catch it. Observe where the blue bird pass, and you can stay that location, then follow to catch it. Hooray! We're done! Now go and sit down. Tap the red dot above the spirit and the other red dot button in your right side. Tap the red dot button above the spirit and all the red dot buttons in your right. The third quest will be available in 13 days, so keep updated. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.